Oh, balik. Grabe, Jordan. Ito ka, picture ka. Picture.
Picture mo kami.
Sa pamamagitan ni Kristo kasama ng Espiritu Santo magpasawalang hanggan. Amen. Ang siyo po para sa pagkakas.
Significant contributions to our organization, and it is time to celebrate their remarkable accomplishments. So we have here a list of nominated employees who have extended their job beyond description. And each of them will be receiving a certificate of appreciation and copy shares the token to be awarded by Mr. Jose Ignacio Carlos, so we would like to request the surgery. And of course, we would also like to request the presence of Ms. Gemma Santos and Ms. Marie Canalo para po sa awarding. Ayun ang ating senior, meron pala siyang award din. And lagi na po kayo dito sa award station para po sa inyo ang award. Ayan, so Sir James Mandela, please po tayo sa stage. Kaya ba na teacher taking po yung award natin? Okay, first on the list, for consistently assisting the sales team in delivery and collection in the South Luzon area, we would like to award to Mr. Christian Malaylay. Ang pagkakamano po natin? Thank you so much po. Ayan, nagkita po kayo dito sa stage.